Today, we are talking about saunas and their potential health benefits. By the way, this is something I'm really excited about. Guys, I'm Dr. Jen. It is good to see you. Now, believe it or not, sitting in a hot room, aka a sauna, and sweating it out actually might be good for you. We're going to talk about some studies, some data that is actually pretty impressive. So let's jump right in. There was a major study, followed over 2,300 men in Finland for about 20 years. And what they found was very interesting. The men who used the sauna 4 to 7 times per week had, number one, a 63% lower risk of sudden cardiac death, a 50% lower risk of dying from heart disease, and a 40% lower risk of dying from any cause. And this was compared to men who only went once a week. And the researchers did account for things like exercise and smoking and other health conditions. And another study from the same group found that frequent sauna use was also linked to fewer strokes. Now, this is pretty awesome. So you may be saying, well, why would this be the case? Well, it could be a few things. When you're in a sauna, your heart rate goes up. Maybe that's sort of akin to exercising, maybe a light to moderate workout. Maybe that's part of the benefit. Over time, some regular sauna users appear to have lower blood pressure. Saunas may improve the health of your blood vessels, may reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, may help other aspects that's collectively contributing to this cardiovascular benefit. What I should say is that this study was a prospective cohort study. The study, again, a large study in Finland. It's observational, so it shows this link, but it can't prove cause and effect. But these results are pretty impressive. The other thing we have to keep in mind is that people who use saunas may live healthier lifestyles overall. So we have to keep that in mind. And please keep in mind that traditional Finnish dry saunas is what was studied, so they may not apply to steam rooms, infrared saunas, or even hot tubs, okay? There also may be other benefits to sauna use as well. There's definitely a lot of talk about potential other benefits. So I think this is kind of an interesting concept. Now, are they safe? Well, they're probably going to be safe for most people. If you have unstable chest pain, you have a recent heart attack, severe aortic stenosis, or other major heart problems, I wouldn't do it until you talk to your doctor. Do not drink alcohol during sauna use, okay? That can raise your risk of having problems. Also, older adults, people with underlying medical conditions and things like that, you got to be cautious. Always talk to your doctor about what's right for you. Remember, as much as I may like to be your doctor, I am not your doctor, so make sure you talk to your doctor about what's okay, what's not. But the preliminary results from sauna use seems pretty promising, and I'm excited to see what's coming down the pike. We need more research, but things look kind of good. Guys, I'm Dr. Jen Caudle, practicing family physician, on-air health expert, and video creator. I do daily videos and all sorts of things. Please subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Follow me on Facebook. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, all the things. Please subscribe to my free health newsletter at drjencaudle.com.